Hello peoples, we be back and the noob is playing the Relboxes. Oh my god. Let me in! Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna shoot you. Oh. Let's go, I got a kill! Yes! Go. Oh, tactical mode on. Oh crap. Oh crap. There. Oh god. Let's go! Grandma will fall over! Let's go deploy these guys. Oh my god. Help! Oh no! No, I died! No! Or something. Okay, I'm rank 22, so I'm pretty strong. I'm just gonna destroy all these guys with my destroyer of deafness gun. Okay. And this time it's in high definition, so you can actually see what the game is showing you, and not just weird specs, I guess. Okay. You gotta get inside this house, or something. Or mysterious hut of justice. I don't know. Oh, crap! Always gotta look out for them snoopers and their campy stuff. See, I'm total pro here. See, you know what you do? You take out your knife and you just walk out into the open and stab some microwaves. You just go and you stab some microwaves. Oh, God! No! Okay, maybe not. Maybe stabbing microwaves is too good of an idea. Maybe you gotta take it to a next level and just shoot everything. Die! Oh, I should have done an earphone warning, but I didn't. Sorry. Your ears are probably bleeding now. It's a bad guy! Oh, he just died. Okay. Oh. He's got totally destroyed. What? You saw that, right? Like I killed him, then he like lived again. Didn't live or something. This one's right here. Oh no. Oh. I get away! No! What the heck? I like shot him. Wait, he had 0 health. Apparently I killed him, then he still killed me. Okay. That's really smart, I guess. Wait. Local resident, Scotter L. Lee Meme, memster found without decency. Wow. That sounds like not me. Totally not my identity or any stuff. Wow. Okay. Ooh. It's getting spicy. Or something. I don't know. Yo, bad guys, they be going up those trees, I think. Oh, no! I was gonna take in the... Oh, there's a sniper. There's snipers everywhere. Eat a grenade! Oh, crap. Hey, I wonder what grenades taste like. Ah! No! Run! Ooh. Eat a grenade! Wait, I ran out of grenades. Sad. Oh. Oh, just shoot him. There we go. I'm not a noob anymore, I think. Oh wait, is this an ammo crate? Poop on it. Oh wait, I wanna watch some TV. It's an extremely long couch. I don't have any grenades, so I'll just stab it. No, he killed me too fast, I guess, or something. I gotta find a gun that'll kill people way faster. Like this destroyer of deafness. It'll make you die in like 2 seconds. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna stab on the weirdo hunt that is purple. Okay, I'm gonna have a snack inside my car. I'm gonna have a quick snack. Okay. Wait, is there microwaves inside that house? We gotta save the microwave! Let's go! Microwave, I've come to save you! There we go. I saved the microwave. Now, stealthy mode. Dun 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 dun. Or something, I forgot the rest. Yeah! See, Eyes is not being such a noobs anymore, right? No, I can't talk. Oh crap, he found me! Here we go. Da-da-da. Die! Oh, hello. Ah! My gun! It was reloading! Then I died. You know what we need to do? We just need to kill everything. We need more grenades. Let's see. Yep. That sounds about right. I hope this is all copyrighted. Oh, wait. Nope. Just joking. Hi. I forgot. Copyrighted means that I'm going to get a copyright strike. And then my YouTube channel is going to be banned. Oh, crap. Whatever. Apparently they have it in the game, so it's not copyrighted. I forgot that copyrighted means... Hello. Wait, why did he just shoot me? In real life, he could have really killed me. Ah! Is that a good thing? I'm gonna camp here. Everyone out of my house! Except for Sanic. Come on, step it up. Die! Hey, look it! Oh, crap. Oh, no, he killed me with the boo-boo gun. Or something. I don't know. Okay. Let's glock these guys. Wait, we gotta go find the secret microwave. We gotta go find those microwaves. And we gotta shoot stems. Okay. Wait, did I already stab this microwave? I'll throw a grenade in it. Oh no, I didn't throw it in right. Wait, I gotta, oh. No, it didn't work. Ah, never mind. Let's not do that. Dangerous play. Oh, what the heck, man? Oh, it's a serious battlefield here, I guess. Or something. What should I change my weapon to? A total destroyer? Which I have no attachments to. Okay, whatever. Noobs don't use attachments. They're too pro. Noob means pro. Wait, can I? I'm gonna be a teenager! Woohoo! I'm not telling my real age. It's a secret. Okay. Well, I'm gonna be a teenager. I don't even know what it's like to be a teenager. So, I can peek in on all my friends at a sleepover and stalk them. Yeah, blast them! No, that'd be weird. I don't even know why I came up with that. I probably should delete that. Edit that part out. But then it just... Because since I'm really newbie and I don't know how to edit videos, that's probably why they all call me them noobs. Oh. Ah. Let's go. That's a grenade. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh no, hide! Ah! Oh. Die! Ah, hide. They're gonna find me. Woohoo! Oh no. Attention! Oh, wait, there's someone right here. Oh no. Oh, afraid. Oh, they're at the hill. Oh crap. Okay. Hello! Crap. I have no ammo! Ah! Oh. No! It's a P90! What the heck? Wait, what rank is a P90? Wait. P90. What the heck is a P90? I don't know. Wait. Oh, that is 24. I'm on 22. I'm so close. I want a P90. I want to kill all these people. Oh, that's also sounded wrong. Okay, let's get the this thing. Oh yeah. Die! Let's go for a grenade! Eat my grenades! Yeah! Oh crap! Ah! I ran out of ammo. That was unuseful. Oh no! He killed the same guy. Kent Paris 2. I hope I said his name right. But if I didn't, ha! Shame on you. I really hope I don't get dislikes. Because I only have 11 subscribers. And that'd just be depressing. Really. To lose subscribers when I only have 11. Oh. As if I know right now. Because right now I'm not really paying attention to anything. Now let's be sneaky weirdos. Weirdo. I made it plural. I don't know why. Okay. The perfect shot. No, that's just Sanic. Oh, this guy. Right there. Heck, man. Hey! A perfect shot, man! Oh, no, he just, like, blasted me. My whole face fell off. It just went, like... I don't know. I have headphones on, so I'm not really sure how loud my voice is. I'm sorry. Like, just... I guess since no one really watches my videos. It's a green ball of death.